Hi everyone, welcome to my channel in KRISHANG French Learning. Today we are talking about contracted articles in French. Stick around to learn how they work and make French easier for you. Let's begin. In this video we are going to learn les articles contractés avec the. This is the second part of the series on contracted articles with the preposition the. If you haven't watched the first part yet, I am providing you the link in the description box. You can watch that video first and then come back here. Okay, I will give you a brief recap of what contracted articles are and what we covered in the previous video. In the previous video, we introduced three types of articles. Indefinite articles, these are a, un and they. In English, a and un means a or an, while they means some. Definite articles. There are four definite articles in French: le, la, les and l'apostrophe, all of which means the in English. Third type of article we are learning about in this video is contracted articles. Contracted articles are used with two prepositions, a and the. In the previous video, we learned about contracted articles with a. In this video, we will learn about contracted articles with the. The preposition a means in, at or to, which we learned about previously. The preposition the can mean of, from or about. So, if I don't want just to say of, from or about, instead I want to add the to it. I want to say of the, from the or about the. As I mentioned before, the in French is a definite article and there are four options: le, masculine singular; la, feminine singular; les, plural; and l'apostrophe used before a vowel or mute h. All of these means the in English. So you have four options here. You want to say of the, from the or about the. To do this, you need to add the, which in French can be le, la, les or l'apostrophe. So what does it become? The plus le becomes du. The plus la becomes the la. The plus les becomes du. And the plus l'apostrophe becomes the l'apostrophe. This is how you form the contracted articles with the and the definite articles. All these forms convey the meaning of the, from the or about the, depending on the context. Let's give a brief recap of the definite article the, which has four forms: le, la, les and l'apostrophe. Let's revise when these forms are used. Le is used for masculine singular, la is used for feminine singular, les is used for plural, and l'apostrophe is used for vowel and it should be singular also. If you are not sure about definite articles, I've put a link in the description for a video that explains them in detail. Once you have watched it, you can come back here. Understanding definite articles is really important for getting this concept. Let's now shift our focus to contractions. The plus la becomes tu, the plus la becomes the la, the plus le becomes du, and the plus l'apostrophe becomes the l'apostrophe. When you combine the with le, you get the contracted form du. This is why these articles are called contracted articles, because they involve a contraction. Instead of writing the and le separately, they merge to form du. When you combine the with la, there is no contraction. It remains the la. Similarly, when combining the with l'apostrophe, it stays as the la. The second and the fourth case doesn't change. For the plus la, you simply write the la. And for the plus l'apostrophe, you simply write the l'apostrophe. The contraction only occurs with the plus le, which becomes du, and they plus les, which becomes they. So, what is the difference? See, the difference lies in the gender and the number of nouns. Du is used for the things which are masculine and singular. The la is used for the things which are feminine and singular. They is used for the things which are plural, and DEL apostrophe is used for the things which begin with a vowel. Let's go through the examples and the usage of contracted articles with the. Let's review one more time. So, here are 4 contracted articles with the: do, de la, they, and DEL apostrophe. Now the meaning of all 4 of them is of, the, from the, or about the. So, what are the difference among these 4? Do is used for feminine. Do is used for masculine singular nouns. The la is used for feminine singular nouns. They is used for plural nouns. The la apostrophe is used for singular nouns that begin with a vowel. Understanding these differences help in choosing the correct contracted article to use in French. So, let's start with examples. First example: C'est la robe dash femme. How would you translate it? How you translate this into English? The meaning should convey of the, from the, or about the. Only then will you be able to use the contracted articles with the. So now, this is the dress of the woman. Now, you have to select one among these 4 options. Which will you choose by looking at the word next to dash femme? Note that femme is feminine singular. Again, follow the same rule I explained in the previous video. First, check femme. Is it plural? No, it is not plural. Does it begin with a vowel? No, it does not begin with a vowel. No, it does not begin with a vowel. Now, check if the word is feminine or masculine. Femme is feminine and singular, so we write the la here. So the sentence is C'est la robe de la femme. This is the dress of the woman. Second sentence: Ces clés means the keys dash voiture sont sur la table. What is the meaning of the sentence? Les clés. What would you say in English? The keys of the car are on the table. Now, the word voiture, is it plural? No. Does it begin with a vowel? No. Is it masculine or feminine? It ends with E, so it is feminine. Therefore, we write the la here. So the sentence is Les clés means the keys, de la voiture sont sur la table. The keys of the car are on the table. Third example: Les livres dash étudiants sont épais. This means the book dash students are thick. So, what did you say in English? The books of the students are thick? The meaning is perfectly clear. Now look at the word next to dash is étudiant. Is it plural? Yes, of course it is plural. If it is plural, you will simply put they. So the sentence is Les livres des étudiants sont épais. The book of the students are thick. Now, fourth sentence: Le père dash garçon est intelligent. What would you say in English? Le père means the father dash boy is intelligent. The father of the boy is intelligent. So, you have to look at the word next to the dash, and that is garçon. Is it plural? No, it is not plural. Does it begin with a vowel? No, it does not begin with a vowel. Then see if it is masculine or feminine. Garçon means boy, which is masculine, so we write do here. So the sentence is Le père du garçon est intelligent. The father of the boy is intelligent. Now fifth sentence: Où est la mère dash fille? Where is the mother dash girl? How will you say that? Where is the mother of the girl? Now you look at the word next to the dash. To determine the correct article, you need to analyze the word feel. Is it plural? No. Does it begin with a vowel? No. Is it masculine or feminine? Feel means girl, which is feminine. Therefore, you use the la here. So the sentence is Où est la mère de la fille? Where is the mother of the girl? Now sixth sentence: Les livres dash étudiant est sous la chaise. The livre means the book dash student is under the chair table. So the meaning is perfectly clear. The book of the student is under the chair. Now Look at the word next to dash, which is étudiant. Is étudiant plural? No, it is not plural. Does it begin with a vowel? Yes, it begins with a vowel E. So you will use the apostrophe. Therefore, the sentence is Le livre de l'apostrophe étudiant est sous la chaise. The book of the student is under the chair. I hope this video helped you understanding the concept of contracted articles with the. Remember the four forms do, the la, they, and the la apostrophe, and how to use them based on gender, number, and vowels. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.